Here
Hi,
comes
girl.
Malia.
Hi, Zoe. You like that? You like that? Okay, Malia, turn her around. Yeah, so big, huh?
She's heavier than
She
McKenna.
big? Probably like 10 pounds. Yay, Zoe! You like that? Yeah, Malia's so good. Malia, you're so gentle. Thank you. Zoe! Zoe! Zoe, hold on. Zoe! Oh, that is a good smile. Ah! Good job, Malia. Good girl. Leave it right there. You gotta leave her right there? Okay.
Don't get out.
She can't. She's stuck.
She's stuck.
Okay.
She's stuck.
Were you gonna leave her? Are you gonna leave her in? Yeah?
I'm fishing around. Forward.
Push her around and throw her away. No, that's
Hi,
not
Zoe.
good. I'll push her.